What's the meaning of confine? Confine. Confine.
Confine. Confine. The word confine means to restrict or limit someone or something within a particular space, area, or boundary. This could be physical confinement, such as being locked in a room, or more figurative, such as being confined to a specific job role or set of responsibilities. The result of confining someone or something is a sense of constraint and an inability to move freely beyond the given boundary. This can lead to feelings of frustration, isolation, and a lack of autonomy. It is important to consider the ethical implications of confining individuals and seek alternative solutions whenever possible.